It is high time plus verb, simple past. It is high time I practiced yoga. It is high time he quit smoking. It is high time she joined a gym. It is high time I took up painting. It is high time I started a journal. It is high time we adopted a pet. It is high time she started a blog. It is high time I called my parents. It is high time he learned to swim. It is high time I joined a book club. It is high time we started recycling. It is high time we bought a new TV. It is high time they repaired the car. It is high time they painted the walls. It is high time I started writing a blog. It is high time I learned how to code. It is high time they repaired the roof. It is high time she started a podcast. It is high time I learned to play chess. It is high time we cleaned the house. It is high time I started writing poetry. It is high time we started carpooling. It is high time I started writing a novel. It is high time I learned to play chess. It is high time he repaired the bicycle. It is high time we donated to a charity. It is high time I decluttered my closet. It is high time he learned how to cook. It is high time I learned to bake bread. It is high time they planned a vacation. It is high time I practiced mindfulness. It is high time they cleaned the garage. It is high time she learned how to knit. It is high time she started composting. It is high time she learned how to sew. It is high time I cleaned out the garage. It is high time she learned how to drive. It is high time I upgraded my computer. It is high time they decluttered the attic. It is high time we adopted a rescue pet. It is high time I learned a new language. It is high time I organized my finances. It is high time I learned to play the piano. It is high time he repaired the leaky roof. It is high time she learned how to swim. It is high time she updated her wardrobe. It is high time she changed her hairstyle. It is high time I organized my digital files. It is high time I learned to play the violin. It is high time he fixed the squeaky bed. It is high time we supported local artists. It is high time I decluttered my wardrobe. It is high time we adopted a rescue dog. It is high time he fixed the broken toaster. It is high time I learned to play the guitar. It is high time they cleaned the backyard. It is high time I organized my workspace. It is high time they fixed the leaky faucet. It is high time they cleaned the windows. It is high time he repaired the leaky sink. It is high time she started a fitness blog. It is high time he repaired the leaky toilet. It is high time I learned to play the drums. It is high time he organized his bookshelf. It is high time they painted the front door. It is high time he fixed the broken window. It is high time they renovated the kitchen. It is high time I practiced meditation daily. It is high time he apologized to his friend. It is high time we invested in solar panels. It is high time he repaired the leaky faucet. It is high time we visited our grandparents. It is high time I started a YouTube channel. It is high time he organized his music CDs. It is high time they cleaned the front porch. It is high time he started a budgeting plan. It is high time they cleaned the outdoor grill. It is high time I organized my photo albums. It is high time he learned to play the guitar. It is high time she started writing a journal. It is high time he organized his paperwork. It is high time she organized her wardrobe. It is high time she started practicing yoga. It is high time we supported local farmers. It is high time he repaired the squeaky door. It is high time they cleaned the car interior. It is high time I started writing a travel blog. It is high time I started exercising regularly. It is high time he repaired the broken chair. It is high time we supported a local charity. It is high time they fixed the squeaky stairs. It is high time I decluttered my email inbox. It is high time we repaired the broken fence. It is high time they renovated the bathroom. It is high time she enrolled in a dance class. It is high time I started reading more books. It is high time I planted herbs in the kitchen. It is high time they organized a charity event. It is high time he learned how to fix a flat tire. It is high time she started a YouTube channel. It is high time they decluttered the basement. It is high time they painted the bedroom walls. It is high time we organized a beach cleanup. It is high time they replaced the old furniture. It is high time he planted a vegetable garden. It is high time she learned how to sew them. It is high time they renovated the living room. It is high time I decluttered my digital photos. It is high time she started a meditation group. It is high time he organized his music playlist. It is high time they renovated the dining room. It is high time they cleaned the backyard patio. It is high time he organized his computer files. It is high time I organized my recipe collection. It is high time she enrolled in a cooking class. It is high time he learned how to change a tire. It is high time we supported local businesses. It is high time they organized a family reunion. It is high time she learned how to sew buttons. It is high time she started a journaling practice. It is high time I organized my music collection. It is high time she saved money for her future. It is high time she started a gratitude journal. It is high time they renovated the home office. It is high time he fixed the broken lawnmower. It is high time she learned how to sew a dress. It is high time she learned how to sew a zipper. It is high time I learned to play the saxophone. It is high time he fixed the broken bicycle chain. It is high time she learned how to bake cookies. It is high time we volunteered at a local shelter. It is high time we adopted a zero-waste lifestyle. It is high time we adopted a minimalist lifestyle. It is high time they decluttered their digital files. It is high time they cleaned the swimming pool. It is high time he repaired the leaky shower head. It is high time I organized my digital documents. It is high time they repaired the broken gate lock. It is high time I decluttered my kitchen cabinets. It is high time they renovated the guest bedroom. It is high time we volunteered at a nursing home. It is high time he repaired the broken TV remote. It is high time they decluttered the storage shed. It is high time she started practicing meditation. It is high time he fixed the broken laptop screen. It is high time we adopted eco-friendly practices. It is high time he enrolled in a self-defense class. It is high time they repaired the broken fence gate. It is high time she learned how to swim freestyle. It is high time she learned how to swim freestyle. It is high time he planted flowers in the front yard. It is high time they decluttered their children's toys. It is high time they organized a community garden. It is high time we volunteered at an animal shelter. It is high time we volunteered at a local food bank. It is high time I decluttered my bathroom cabinets. It is high time we supported local youth programs. It is high time we installed solar panels on our roof. It is high time he fixed the broken bicycle brakes. It is high time she learned how to sew a buttonhole. It is high time we volunteered at a homeless shelter. It is high time they decluttered their DVD collection. It is high time she learned how to swim backstroke. It is high time we installed a water filtration system. It is high time we installed a water filtration system. It is high time she started practicing daily gratitude. It is high time we planted new flowers in the garden. It is high time he planted a fruit tree in the backyard. It is high time he planted vegetables in the backyard. It is high time they installed a home security system. It is high time he learned how to fix electrical issues. It is high time they decluttered their book collection. It is high time they saved money for a down payment. It is high time we organized a neighborhood cleanup. It is high time she started practicing daily journaling. It is high time he enrolled in a public speaking course. It is high time she started composting kitchen waste. It is high time we installed energy-efficient appliances. It is high time we started using reusable water bottles. It is high time she learned how to swim breaststroke. It is high time they repaired the broken window blinds. It is high time she started practicing daily meditation. It is high time he planted a herb garden in the kitchen. It is high time he organized his digital photo collection. It is high time she started practicing daily affirmations. It is high time she pursued her passion for photography. It is high time we switched to energy-saving light bulbs. It is high time we supported sustainable fashion brands. It is high time we donated clothes to a homeless shelter. It is high time we installed a programmable thermostat. It is high time we supported local educational programs. It is high time she started practicing sustainable fashion. It is high time we switched to renewable energy sources. It is high time we installed a rainwater harvesting system. It is high time we supported local environmental initiatives. It is high time she started practicing mindfulness meditation. It is high time they saved money for their children's education. It is high time we adopted a sustainable transportation method. We use the phrase "it is high time" to indicate that something should have happened or been done already because the situation or circumstances demand it. It's often used to express that a situation is overdue or has been delayed for too long.